Hey guys, got a part 1 of a part 2 Tacklewarehouse unboxing video. It's my first one I've ever done. I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff I got. I'll start with some of my soft plastics. Right here I got the Big Bite Baits Warmouth. That is in a War Party color. Never tried these before. Probably won't try these till next year when they're bedding. Up next, we got some Reaction Innovations Smalley Beaver 3.50. That's in a Xmas pumpkin color. The Xmas pumpkin. Alright, I got some other. Yeah, okay. Alright, right here I got 2 packs of flirt worms. I got one 5-inch, one 7-inch. I got the California 420 for all you potheads. Right here we got some 7-inch sprayed grass. We got a dog barking. Alright, what else we got here? I didn't really get that much in the line of soft plastics this quarter. Alright, here we got some KVD, or no, Super Finesse worm. The Elastec ones. June Bug 7-inch. Strike King, Green Pumpkin 7-inch. I got some 4-inch. I got watermelon. Got some watermelon. We got some peanut butter and jelly, 4-inch. And right here, got 3 packs of Pack-A-Craws, baby Pack-A, a 3 and a 3/4 inch. Got some white pearl. We got some black red shad. Oh, and June bug. The June bug. I think these are gonna work real good on my lake where I fish a lot. Alright. That's it for the. Oh wait. The last pack of soft plastics I got some Z-Man chatterbait trailers. I'm gonna try these on some spinner baits, maybe some jigs. Chartreuse is a good color where I fish, so I figured I'd try them out. Alright, that's it for the soft plastics. Next I got some couple packs of snap swivels, Danielson's. No big deal. And I got fish sticks, lure enhancer, crawfish. Oh, and I got two of these Tacklewarehouse neoprene reel covers. My bait casters I got. Got a neon green and a neon red stick jacket. I use these things a lot. They save me a lot of headaches. Oh, I got these called a plain old speed bag. Put like 20 packs of soft plastic in there. I don't know, it was like $10. Figure what the hell. Try that out. Got the sticker. One second. I got a couple more things here. Alright, we got some Strike King shaky head, jig heads. I got a 1/8 ounce and I got a 3/16. I got the green pumpkin and a watermelon. Last but not least, I got some Shad Wrap X-Wraps, X-Wrap Shad, XR6s. I got a yellow perch and a purple descent. But this is part 1. Should be part 2 coming up here shortly.